Thank you for viewing our listing. Completely rebuilt and remodeled from floor to ceiling. 2 bedrooms/2 full bathrooms. Second floor end unit. Fee simple. Assigned parking in front. Close to community center. Totally rebuilt in 2017, everything, including the toilets and kitchen sink, has been replaced, endless updates, and additional windows create a light and bright home. Living and dining area features custom built-ins and a custom wall wired for mounted TV. Kitchen has newer cabinets, granite counters, pantry, stainless steel appliances, and opens to the large family room with glass shelf built-ins, storage closet, custom-built electric fireplace and 4 windows overlooking the private lawn and trees. Master suite with remodeled bathroom and step-in shower. Secondary bedroom with its own entrance allows private access for guests. Second full bathroom complete with shower/tub combination. Don't miss out on enjoying life in this active adult, pet-friendly, golf community with 2 recreation centers, 2 pools, 1 heated, fitness center and classes, tennis courts, shuffleboard, hobby studios, dog park, car wash station, dancing, clubs, cards, billiards, social events, cafe and coffee corner and lots more. Close to shopping, restaurants, entertainment, beaches, this is a must-see. Don't wait to start enjoying paradise life.